Hello friends, in this video let's see how to grow radishes in a 5-liter can. I am repurposing a 5-liter vinegar can here. You may also grow them in pots like this. Let's first look into the soil mix that I have taken here for growing radishes. Since radishes are root crops, it's very important to take a good soil mix that is well draining. So let's make our own soil mix for growing radishes. For that you need compost, coco coir and sand in 2:1:2 ratio. Now let's see how to sow radish seeds. I have cut the top part of the 5-liter can, so now it acts as a pot for me. Before putting the soil mix into the pot, please make sure that your pot has drainage holes so that the excess water can drain off from the pots. As you can see, I have taken a small brown pot here just to make markings so it will be easy for us to sow seeds. And of course it gives us an idea of how many radishes we can harvest from this container. Now as you can see, I am making a little hole in the middle of each circle and it is around ½ inch deep. Usually your seed packets should tell you how deep you should sow your seeds, but it's okay if you don't see any such information in your seed packet. And now let's sow the seeds. If you are wondering about the tool that I'm using here, it is called manual seeder. You definitely don't need one and it's perfectly fine to use your hands. Now that we have sowed our radish seeds, let's close the holes. I'm not using my hands to touch the soil just because I have to handle the camera. Now time to spray some water. Please do not pour water forcefully because the seeds might either come up or go deep inside. Now that we have done our job, now it's time for us to sit back and enjoy watching them growing. Wow! Look at the beautifully germinated radish seedlings. Radishes quickly germinate, so you can start to see them in 2 to 3 days. If you have been keeping your pots away from sunlight, this is the time you have to keep your pots to receive bright light. All the 5 radish seeds have germinated, and you can also see some extra seedlings because we have dropped more than one seed in a single hole. If you are a beginner here, I strongly advise you to cut the extra seedlings. Please make sure to be careful here because sometimes you can cut both the seedlings off. Now here I am going to try a little experiment, so I am not planning to cut the extra seedlings. Now as you can see, I have around 8 radish seedlings growing in this 5-liter pot. A few days later, you will see the 3rd leaf coming up. That leaf is called true leaf, which will look like radish leaves. And this is a clear sign that the radish seedlings are growing well. Now a few more days later, I'm giving some water for them. It is obviously a happy moment because the radishes are starting to form. Depending on the variety of the radishes, you will start to see the color of the radish just above the soil. My radish that I have sowed here is a red variety, so I can clearly see that it is starting to form. Now this is the best moment ever. As you can see, all the radishes have started to form really well. But I'm not going to harvest them right now because in few days they will be swelling up even more than this, and then it will be the perfect time to harvest. After a few more days, as you can see, the radishes have plumped up a little bit more. I'm only going to harvest some of the radishes now, just the ones that looks ready. It's time for harvesting radishes, but before that we need to water the pot really well so that the radishes do not break while we harvest them. Here we go, the first radish harvested. Wow, such long, beautiful. That's a good one. As you can see, these 2 radishes are together because we didn't pinch off the extra seedlings. So out of 2, 1 is ready to pick. Of course, that's a good one too. Out of the total 8 radishes, these 4 were ready to pick. And I will be leaving the rest for the second harvest. This way of sowing and harvesting really helps me so that I don't have to pick all of them at once. I am so excited to show you the second harvest. Please do subscribe and click on the notification and let me know if you like this video. Thank you very much and see you soon with another useful video. Bye bye.